Rocky Point Bird Observatory has been monitoring migrating birds
in a house that stood right here.
This federal building was completed in 1874.
Did you know?
Did you know that the fabulous fall fungi in the forests around Victoria, like these forests here in Francis King, hold many secrets? Well, let's have a look at one of the beautiful relationships that we can find in the forests around here in the autumn. And I want to introduce you to the three players in this tale here. Down here, we have what's left of the Indian pipe. Now, you'll know Indian pipe as the sort of waxy white plant that's quite common in the forests, the conifer forests around Victoria. Here, we have the fruiting body of a mushroom called the short-footed russula. So this is just the fruiting body. The fungus is filaments in the soil, and we only see its presence, usually, in the autumn when it produces its fruiting bodies. And the third player in this tale is this Douglas fir tree behind us here. And these three are all tied together in the forests of Francis King. Now, let's have a look then at this Indian pipe. Most plants are green, but there's a group of plants like the Indian pipe, like coral root orchids, that are vascular plants, but they don't have any chlorophyll. And that's a problem, because plants make their own food with chlorophyll. They use the energy of the sun to make sugars, and that's how plants feed themselves and everything else in the forest. But what about the Indian pipe? It's got no chlorophyll. It can't make its own food. The Indian pipe gets its nutrition from the Douglas fir. The Douglas fir produces sugars, sends them down to its roots, to the fungi attached to its roots. Those fungi are also attached to the roots of the Indian pipe, and that's how the Indian pipe is fed. That makes it a parasite on the Douglas fir through these fungal filaments that grow in the soil. And what completes this tale is in the Pacific Northwest, including southern Vancouver Island, only one fungus has ever been found attached to the roots of Indian pipe. And that fungus is the fungus that produces this particular fruiting body, the short-footed russula. So there you have it. The woods are alive with fungi.